You know that flat moment when loot drops and nothing really happens? It drains the fun right out of the game. This pack fixes that feeling with one drag and drop. Almost 200 loot beams, elemental bursts, and treasure effects all run on a single Uber shader. That keeps the project clean, keeps iteration fast, and every prefab is modular, so you can mix parts or trigger them from code. URP, HDRP, and standard pipeline are all supported. There's an overview scene for every effect, plus a contextual example scene, which means you can see the intended use before you place anything in your level. 15 buyers have it sitting at roughly 4.9 stars, and the comments say the developer actually jumps in to help when you follow the docs. It does have one setup catch. Skip a documentation step and you might see pink shaders. Follow the import guide and the whole pack settles right in. Grab the full library for $15. That works out to under 8 cents per effect, and your game instantly feels richer. Hit the link below and let the sparkles begin. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Do you ever need to sculpt a slope or blend dirt into a road, but you don't want a round trip into Blender? RealBlend puts that workflow directly in your Unity editor. Think of it as a polybrush style utility on URP and HDRP. You can paint multiple texture layers, push and pull geometry, and use procedural noise to build dirt or edge wear that follows your terrain naturally. The noise paint feature is the real standout. It generates masks from 3D noise and UV borders, so surfaces get varied depth instead of flat, repetitive textures. That's a quick, clean result for environmental detail. Early users give it 4.7 stars from 9 reviews, and several call it a promising staple for environment artists once you settle into the workflow. Honest catch, the undo system can be unstable and sometimes corrupts default meshes. Save before you sculpt, and you can keep moving without disaster. Snag it now for $13.75. If it saves you one afternoon of hand modeling, that's a massive time saver on your very first environment. The asset page is right there in the description. Full screen effects often look great but crush performance. This pack gets around that with a clever fake screen space approach that keeps the drama while staying light. There are 24 effects and 25 materials covering cinematic overlays, environmental reactions, and gameplay-driven moments for action, RPG, horror, sci-fi, fantasy, and realistic projects. One shader handles the whole set, so adding a new look doesn't balloon your build. The trick is that each effect is one particle placed just in front of the camera, scaled to fill the screen no matter your camera settings. That makes it optimized for real-time use and easy to customize, with clean gradients and no heavy post-processing chain. Only 4 reviews so far, but every single one is 5 stars. Buyers are calling the effects readable, natural, and production ready. Because it's a fake screen space effect, it doesn't depth sync with the scene like a true post effect. That's the trade-off for speed, and you can layer it with other effects for extra depth. For $10, that's a fraction of what a custom overlay runs from a freelance artist. Honestly, freelancers charge 10 times that for one effect. Check it out through the link below. Building a believable abandoned city block by block is a huge time sink. This pack drops in residential blocks, courtyards, roads, checkpoints, and debris so you can focus on gameplay. It's inspired by abandoned post-Soviet cities with 190 prefabs and 94 2048 textures. LOD levels on the props mean you can push that mood without bringing every device to its knees. Pipeline support is sorted at import time. You pick URP, HDRP, or built-in, and the shaders line up. That's a clean drop-in for tower defense, strategy, or survival projects. 16 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. People are calling it a detailed world builder for top-down survival and strategy games. One thing to know, the showcase scene is heavy, around 2.5 million triangles. Keep LODs and culling enabled if you're targeting mobile or lower-end hardware. It's $12. That's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it buys you an entire city of atmosphere. Tap the link to start building your wasteland. Casino game mechanics can be surprisingly fiddly to build from scratch, especially when you just want a working slot machine in a neon scene. This kit gets you spinning fast. It's a modern neon casino template, so you get the slot machine and the core flow already assembled. You can drop it into a level, adjust the look, and prototype the gameplay loop without rebuilding the real logic from zero. Because it's a template, it's easy to restyle the neon pieces to match your own game's mood. That flexibility saves time when you're jumping between game jam ideas or client pitches. 28 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. The consensus is that it's a polished, reliable way to add a casino centerpiece to a project. It's a machine template, not a full casino backend. You'll still add your own payout tables, economy, and audio design around it. For $15, this is easy business ROI. If one client project uses it, the kit has paid for itself 100 times over. Open the deal page and give your casino scene a neon heart. Retro JRPGs are charming, but building turn-based battles, inventories, and world maps from zero is a marathon. This template exists to get you to playable much faster. The template gives you the core JRPG structure already connected, so you can focus on the fun parts like story, characters, and level design, instead of wiring up state machines and menu systems. It's a clean base for pixel art projects in URP, so you can drop in your own sprites, music, and writing, and quickly shape it into your own game. That's weekend project fuel. 7 reviews so far, and all of them are 5 stars. The early word is that it's a solid, organized launchpad for retro RPG fans. It's a template, not a finished game, so you'll still craft the actual story, combat balance, and map layouts. But the structural work is already handled. Pick it up for $12.50. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. The link is waiting in the description below. Survival games are system heavy. You need AI, crafting, building, inventory, cooking, saving, and it's easy to spend months just on foundations. FSK hands you a production-ready core. It's a complete FPS survival framework with events and scriptable objects at the center, so systems stay decoupled and you can scale without fighting your own architecture. The AI already handles hostile, neutral, and fleeing creatures with vision and sound awareness. You also get melee and ranged combat, surface-based footsteps, a socket-based building system, inventory, crafting, and a save flow, all connected and integrated. That's a huge time saver because you're not stitching modules together. 7 reviews, 4.9 stars, and buyers keep praising the polish and the developer's fast, friendly support. It's still a newer release, so some advanced visual tooling isn't there yet, and there are no firearms in the default content. You can add those, and the roadmap suggests they're on the way. Grab it for $10.50. That works out to roughly $1.30 per major system, when a single custom inventory alone could cost you weeks. Follow the link below and start surviving. You can spend forever tweaking color grading to get the right mood. Color Studio 10 is built to make that process way more direct. It brings color grading into a focused workflow, so you can build a consistent look and apply it across multiple scenes without losing the individual feel of each level. The tool is designed for speed. Set up a grade, reuse it, fine-tune it. That means less time guessing and more time shipping an actual game. 16 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. The early adopters say it's a clean, practical way to finish a scene. It's a color solution, not a full post-processing stack, so you'll still want bloom, AO, or vignettes from your pipeline. Pair them up, and you're golden. For $15, you skip hours of manual color tweaking, and that's the kind of shortcut that pays off on every scene. Visit the asset page from today's list. Survival crafting games are a lot of work, but this kit gives you a complete, connected foundation right out of the box. The full survival loop is already connected. Crafting, building, resources, and survival mechanics all work together on PC and mobile. It uses Unity's official navigation AI and the new input system, so there are no legacy input headaches. It supports Unity 6 and Unity 2022.3 and above, with a full mobile HUD plus keyboard and mouse controls. That's a rare combo for a template and lets you target multiple platforms from day one. 4 reviews so far, all 5 stars. The early feedback calls it a serious all-in-one kit for survival and crafting projects. Like any framework, you'll still tune the gameplay feel and add your own content. The systems are connected, but it's not a shipped game out of the box. For $14, hiring someone to build even half of this framework would cost many times more. That's a serious bang for your buck. Grab the kit through the link below. Ambient occlusion is one of those things you don't notice until it's missing. Without it, corners feel flat. HTrace adds that grounded depth to URP. It's a URP-friendly ambient occlusion solution that brings contact shadows and depth to indoor and outdoor scenes. The result is a more grounded image without the heavy cost of other post stacks. Because it's focused specifically on URP, it slots into a modern pipeline without fighting render features or breaking your setup. Set the intensity, enable it, and let the extra shading do the talking. 13 reviews, perfect 5 stars, and the consensus is that it adds real polish to URP projects. It's built for URP only, so HDRP or built-in users won't be able to use it. Stick with this pipeline and you're in for a clean experience. You can grab it for $14.50. That's less than a pair of fancy coffees, and it's one of those upgrades that makes every scene feel better. Find it on the store page today. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.